ሰላም የዜና ማቱሪያል ቤተሰቦች ለዛሬ 2002 ላይ ከተፈተኑት ኢኩዌሽን ኦፍ ሰርክል የሚል ጥያቄ እንሰራለን። which of the following is the equation of the circle with center C at 2 minus 1 and tangent to y-axis. ስለዚህ ይህንን ጥያቄ ሶልቭ ለማድረግ we have a circle and there is a tangent to the y-axis. Therefore, this is x-axis and this is the y-axis. Therefore, this point is the tangent point, which is -1. Here, this is a center, which is 2 minus 1. ስለዚህ ይሄ ሰርክል ታንጀንት ነው። therefore ከዚህ እስከዚህ ያለው ሬዲየስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሬዲየስ r ይሆናል, which is a horizontal line. it touches at -1 y axis ላይ ስለሆነ therefore what is radius of the circle, which is r square, the distance from this point to this point ማለት ነው። ይሄ ፖይንት ማለት x0 ሲሆን y -1፣ ይሄ ደግሞ x2 ሲሆን y -1 -2። ስለዚህ ዲስታንስ ማለት 2 - 0 the whole square plus -1 -1 the whole square ማለት ነው under radical. So it is equals to square root of 4 plus 0, which is equals to 2. Therefore the radius is 2. So equation of circle ስንል equation of circle with center HK and radius R becomes y, which is equals to x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equals to r square ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ this implies that x minus h square, x minus h 2 ነች ማለት ነው። the whole square plus y minus k minus 1 the whole square is equals to 2 square. So this implies that x minus 2 square plus y plus 1 square is equals to 4. And therefore answer C. The answer is C.